Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chateau Sleep. Let's embark on a journey into the depths, a journey into a world of silent light, a world where tiny creatures paint the darkness with living stars. Tonight, we're going to explore the mesmerizing phenomenon of bioluminescent bacteria, these microscopic artists of the deep. Just relax. Close your eyes if you like, and let the gentle sounds guide you as we delve into the secrets of their radiant glow. A glow that whispers stories of the ocean's hidden heart, a symphony of light that echoes through the ages. Imagine a vast, dark ocean, a world where sunlight barely penetrates, yet it's not entirely devoid of light. Tiny, shimmering specks, like miniature fireflies, illuminate the water column. These are bioluminescent bacteria, single-celled organisms capable of producing their own light. A cold, ethereal glow. A glow that pulses and flickers. A language spoken in light. A code only the deep sea understands. They are found in nearly every marine environment, from the surface waters to the deepest trenches. These tiny creatures are everywhere, and they play a vital role in the oceanic ecosystem. They are not just passive light sources, they are active participants in a silent symphony, a dance of light and darkness, a dance that shapes the very fabric of the deep, a ballet of photons and shadows. The process of bioluminescence is a chemical reaction, a cascade of molecules interacting to produce light. It involves a substance called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. When these components come together, they create a brief flash of light, a moment of pure biological illumination, a moment of magic, a spark of life in the abyss, a testament to the power of biochemistry. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the chemistry of this fascinating process. Luciferin, the light-emitting molecule, is oxidized by luciferase, the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. This oxidation releases energy, which is emitted as light. It's a delicate balance, a precisely timed release, a controlled explosion of photons. The color of the light can vary depending on the species of bacteria and the specific chemical reaction involved. Most marine bioluminescent bacteria emit a bluish-green light, which travels well through water. The frequency of light is also vital and creates a visual language, a language only the denizens of the deep understand, a spectrum of communication. The production of light is tightly controlled by a process called quorum sensing. This is a form of communication where bacteria release signaling molecules into their environment. When the concentration of these molecules reaches a certain threshold, it triggers the expression of the luciferase gene, and the bacteria begin to glow. It's a collective decision, a synchronized performance, a democratic display of light. This quorum sensing mechanism allows bacteria to coordinate their light production, creating a collective display, a silent symphony of light. This coordination is important for various biological functions, which we will discuss later. It's a testament to the power of community, even in the smallest of organisms, a social network of light. So, why do these bacteria glow? What purpose does this light serve? Scientists believe that bioluminescence plays several important roles in the lives of these organisms. It's not just a random occurrence, but a carefully orchestrated display, a strategic use of light. One theory suggests that it acts as a defense mechanism, startling predators or attracting larger predators to eat the initial predator. This is a form of burglar alarm hypothesis, a way to disrupt the food chain and protect themselves. A clever trick, a surprising flash in the dark, a moment of chaos in the predator prey dynamic. Another theory is that it's used for communication. Bacteria may use light signals to communicate with each other or with other organisms. This is a silent language, a code of light that we are only beginning to understand, a language that spans the vast distances of the ocean, a dialogue in photons. Bioluminescence is also thought to play a role in attracting prey. Some fish and other marine organisms are attracted to light and may mistake bioluminescent bacteria for food. It's a lure, a tempting beacon in the darkness, a deceptive glow that leads to a meal. In some cases, bioluminescence may simply be a byproduct of metabolic processes, a harmless side effect of their biochemistry. But even these byproducts contribute to the overall lightscape of the ocean. A subtle glow, a constant presence, a background hum of light. Bioluminescent bacteria are not just isolated light sources, they are integral components of the marine ecosystem. They contribute to the overall light environment, influencing the behavior of other organisms. They are the architects of the deep's lightscape, the illuminators of the abyss. They are also important decomposers, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. This process, which often occurs in the deep sea, is aided by their bioluminescence. They are the silent recyclers, the unseen cleaners of the ocean floor, the essential workers of the ecosystem. The light they produce can attract scavengers, which help to disperse organic matter and prevent it from accumulating on the seafloor. It's a chain reaction, a ripple effect in the depths, a cascade of ecological processes. Bioluminescent bacteria also play a role in the global carbon cycle, influencing the flow of carbon through the ocean. Their presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life, even at the microscopic level. They are tiny but mighty players in the planet's grand scheme, essential components of a global network. In the deep sea, where sunlight never reaches, bioluminescence is the primary source of light. Here, bioluminescent bacteria create spectacular light shows, illuminating the darkness with their ethereal glow. It's a realm of living starlight, a world lit by biology. These light shows can attract a variety of organisms, creating feeding frenzies and complex interactions. The deep sea is a world of constant darkness, punctuated by bursts of light. It's a dynamic environment, a constant interplay of light and shadow, a theater of life in the dark. Many deep sea creatures have evolved to detect and utilize bioluminescence for hunting, communication, and navigation. Their eyes are incredibly sensitive, able to detect even the faintest glimmer of light. They are masters of the dark, guided by the living lights, adapted to a world of subtle glows. The deep sea is a world of mystery, and bioluminescence is one of its most captivating features. It's a silent symphony, played out in the darkness, a dance of light and life, a dance that has been going on for millions of years, an ancient ritual of light. Scientists are still uncovering the secrets of bioluminescent bacteria and their role in the marine ecosystem. Advanced imaging techniques and molecular biology are helping us to understand these organisms at a deeper level. We are peering into their world, unraveling their mysteries, decoding their secrets. We are learning how they communicate, how they coordinate their light production, and how they interact with potential applications in various fields, including biotechnology and environmental monitoring. We can use these bacteria as biosensors to detect pollutants or to create new light-emitting materials. We are harnessing their power, learning from their ancient light, applying their wisdom to our world. We can create bioluminescent markers for medical research or even develop self-lighting pathways for sustainable cities. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination, bound only by the limits of our creativity. The silent symphony of bioluminescent bacteria is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. It's a world of hidden wonders, waiting to be discovered. It's a world that whispers of ancient secrets, of evolutionary marvels, of biological miracles. We can learn about the history of the ocean, the changes in its chemistry, and the subtle shifts in its ecosystems through the study of these tiny organisms. They are living records, biological archives, keepers of the ocean's history. We are also investigating the potential for bioluminescent bacteria to be used in bioremediation to clean up pollutants and restore damaged ecosystems. They offer a natural solution, a biological answer to environmental challenges. The study of these organisms is also helping us understand the origins of life and the evolution of complex biological processes. They are windows into the past, portals to understanding the very foundations of life on Earth. Just breathe, relax, and let the gentle sounds and the images of shimmering light carry you away into the depths of the ocean where the stars shine beneath the waves. Good night and sweet dreams of glowing bacteria. Let the light guide you to peaceful slumber. Let the ocean's gentle rhythm soothe your soul.